I guess I'm gonna put together some chicken tenders. These guys are already cut, which is great. And we're going to get these guys unthawed and get them marinated. We'll get this chicken out of here. Might be about 5 pieces. I mean, just rinsed off. Right, put a little salt in them, let these guys marinate, get a little flavor in them. I'm just using regular table salt. And I'm giving about 30 minutes to an hour. I guess use my all-purpose flour to get started with my ready for my chicken tenders. So I'm gonna commit to making the PDQ, the KFC, the Church's Chicken, Popeyes chicken tenders. But I'm making them my own. So stay tuned. Ground up some salt, ground sage, black peppers. I'm gonna add this salt-free seasoning, onion powder, and some oregano and the Goya. So let's go ahead and start seasoning our flour. Some salt. Don't put too much. So maybe a couple tablespoons. This is like ground sage, just a little bit on top. Black pepper. You know, with the non-salt seasoning. Go crazy on that to add flavor. Use a little onion powder. Oregano. Last but not least, Goya. I guess get the oil started. Okay. I got some chicken here, so I'm gonna thaw. I'm gonna cut these guys in half. All right, guys, end product. Woo! That thing is very, very good. It's a lot going on here cooking, but the chicken tenders turned out really good. It was the easy recipe for eating. So I'm gonna outline this, and I'm gonna see you guys next video.